Well, flowers are beautiful to attract insects. It's not for us, it's just so that they can get pollinated. They give the nectar, and the pollinating insects pollinate their flowers. Mind you, they need to be the same flower pollen for it to be pollinated. Like a rose's pollen cannot pollinate a daisy's pollen. I mean a daisy flower. And their relationship to bees is well, it's because bees are like the most pollinate, or they have a straw-like tongue which can be extended and retracted. I mean, like brought back inside its apis's mouth, you can say. There are probably many different types of bees out there, but if the bees take the honey the wrong way, like slicing the flower to get to it, the flowers don't get pollinated because they don't really take it from the top. It's probably because it's meant for another insect, not the bees. It's very important. In my book, it said it's the forgotten nutrient. We probably won't survive 4 days without water. But even though you can survive weeks without food. I think I remember from my book, it's that water that takes up like 55% to 80% of our body. I might be a little wrong. One of them is where the parents feed their children. They take worms or food and then give it to their kids. But one mother doesn't even take care of her own children. She just leaves it in some random other bird's nest. That's also, and that bird doesn't recognize it's not her kid. So she just makes them warm, including the imposter egg, and the imposter egg turns into a bird, and when it gets fed, I think it gets so big that all the other birds end up dying. I mean, or chicks or something. Miss Apis' wings might seem like it's like two sometimes when she is flying, I think. But when she's not using them, kind of, she kind of puts them together. Like, imagine these parts are two separate wings. These two, and these two, and then these two. So she does like this, kind of, maybe. And then it looks like it's just one. Yeah. I guess they get together so neatly that you can't even see the crack. flaps a lot. Even when it's in, and she flaps them a lot. I think even when it's in slow-mo, the wings still seem to be moving pretty fast. She hears and smells through her antennae, but you need a microscope to see her hearing spots, and the things that left her smell. She needs her antennae to find or look around in the dark because it's kind of hard to see in the dark. And even though she has many eyes, she still needs them. She doesn't have night vision, unlike some others, maybe. If her antennae got damaged, she would end up dying. So she needs to clean her antennae every once in a while. It's on her front legs. One of them cleans the cleaner for her antennae, and the other has a spot that's just big enough for the antennae and also has a flap and kind of like a brush on the other side, so she can clean her antennae. I'm not sure how she uses the brush. I mean, like, on the other, when I say the other side, I mean like the other side of that leg, not a different leg. Yeah.